Okay guys, today we're going to make you a Thai green curry. Now the ingredients we need today are chicken, Thai green curry paste, vegetable stock cube, coconut milk, soy sauce, sugar, kaffir lime leaves, Thai birdseed chilies, and sweet basil. Not forgetting eggplant.
Food with some oil, a little bit.
Okay, so the oil's in, we'll let it heat up. Now what we're going to put in, Mama? Thai green curry paste. Okay. So that's 1, 2 large tablespoons. More is always good. I'm going to stir fry this a little bit and get it cooked down a little bit. Okay, so I've got the green curry paste sizzling away, and we're going to add the chicken. This is chicken breast.
Stir fry mix together a little bit.
Yeah. We're just going to fry this a little bit just to get the chicken kind of sealed a little bit, get it light on the inside. Now we're going to add some coconut milk. Okay, so first we put in the kaffir lime leaf and the coconut milk. About, can we get out? 250 mils.
Put more in.
So we'll let this come up to temperature first, Mama. Yeah, so let this come up to temperature first, and we'll continue the ingredients. Okay guys, couple of top tips. When you cut your eggplant, put in a bowl of water. Eggplant is like potatoes, it will go brown very quickly if it's not in the water. Additionally, we are using soy sauce. Some people prefer to use fish sauce. It's whatever you prefer. Okay, so now we've got the coconut milk and curry paste bubbling away here. We're going to add the vegetable stock cube. Okay, we're going to add the eggplant. Give it a little stir. At this point, if you think you need more coconut milk, add more coconut milk. Green curry normally is more like a soup. It's not like a thick curry. It is more like a soup. Okay, so we'll add this simmer away for about 10 minutes now, just to soften up the eggplant. So what you want to do is taste it. Because we have the vegetable stock cube in, you want to taste it just to check the salt level before you add the soy sauce, because some vegetable cubes can be quite salty. Okay, so now we're going to put in the red chilies. These are bird's eye chilies, Thai chilies, very spicy. So moderate them to however spicy you like it. Now we're putting the soy sauce, so it's basically, you know how salty it already is from the vegetable stock cube. We're in what, 1 teaspoon? Okay, 1 teaspoon soy salt. Sugar. 2 teaspoons. And then taste. Okay, so we've tasted the salt and sugar. What do we think now? A little bit more sugar. Another half a teaspoon sugar. We're getting a sweet basil to finish it. I'm trying to get right on. Okay, and we'll serve this up in just a minute. Now, as you'll see, we still have a lot of fluid left in there. And that's because we added another 250 ml of coconut milk during the cooking. You want to keep it nice and soupy. You don't want too thick. Okay, so we're just going to put this in a nice bowl. We've probably done enough here for 2 or 3 people.